Hi guys, this is Joe. Okay, with this video, I would like to share with you how you can kickstart your automation project using a Siemens S7-1200 PLC CPUs with Ethernet networking Profinet interface. Okay, which is an entry-level PLC from Siemens, which you can control some IOs and do simple automations. Okay, so I received this PLC from my industry partners. So I'm working on this industry uh, gas detector. So using a PLC. So it happens that this is my first time working on the PLC, and I face some issues how to connect and how to interface with the PLC. So with this video, I will go through with you how you can simply uh, uh, set up this PLC using the Siemens Step 7 TIA portal. Okay, this is the hardware PLC for Siemens. Okay, so you can get it from the RS components, which is 396 and 59 cents. Okay, to program the Siemens, so you need to download the Simatic Step 7 TI portal, which you can see there are three types of versions. One is the light, basic, and professional. So if you want to try out, there's a 31 days trial. So I'm using a Step 7 Basic. So Basic is more than enough for me to do a simple automations program. Okay, so you just go to this website and then log in, and you can download the PLC software straight away. So you have to download all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 files. Okay, takes about 1 hour to download, and installation takes about half an hour. Okay, so you can read through some what is TIA portal. You can read through from the Siemens website over here. Okay, so if you want to upgrade your PLC, you can buy some extra IOs and some starter kits with HMI and so on. Okay, so let's go back to this Siemens here. Okay, so this Siemens has very limited IOs. So you can see here there are a total of 10 IOs here. Okay, digital in and out. Okay, it has a relay. Okay, depends on the model that you buy. Some have relay, some without relay. Some use AC to the AC input supply. For my case, I'm using input DC 24 volt. Okay, so these are the specs for the Siemens 1200 series. Okay, okay. So without further ado, let me bring you to your PLC setup software. Okay, this is a TIA portal from Siemens. So So I'm using this for my VOC gas detector applications. So if you want to create a new project, you can just simply create new projects. So I will go through with you from the new projects here. So here, you just create the project name. Maybe here I put Joe Demo. You can specify where you want to save it and your versions of your software. Now I'm using version 14, Service Pack 1. If you have downloaded version 14, I encourage you to download Service Pack 1 again, because version 14 have some bugs. Okay, so yeah, so far I'm running SP1 quite okay. So you can put your author name. So I can just simply put Joe. So just create. Okay, so now project is being created. Okay, okay. Next, you can configure your PLC device. Okay, just click on the configure device. Okay, you can select which device you want to connect. So okay, let's add new device here. Click new device. So here you can select S7 1200 series. There are different types, so you choose the types that you purchase. So mine is CPU 1212C DC-DC relay, and this is a series. Okay, so now in version 4.2. If you are done, just click add. Okay, so let me click add here. At the same time, you can also edit your PLC names, okay, which can be changed later on as well. So while waiting, you can read some descriptions. Okay, now new PLC is added. As you see here, it's quite intuitive, a graphical interface. This is my Siemens 1200 series with the CPU and the digital ins and digital outs and 2 analog inputs. Okay, so as you can see here, you can see some modules which in my 1200 series, and I also have this Profinet interface. Okay, okay. So Profinet is good for real-time control and automation with we require high determinism. So Profinet is quite good compared to Ethernet, but it uses the Ethernet port. Okay, okay. And also for my project, I need to use I/O modules, which is analog. So you can select some I/O modules if you purchase separately. So you just simply drag and drop if you have I/O modules that you purchase additionally. Okay, so this is the analog I/O ports that I purchased. So same thing for the physical device, you have to connect such a way. Okay, okay. Next, you go to device configurations. Okay, you can see this okay device GUI. Okay, then next go to online and diagnosis. Okay, this tag basically will show you how you can go about to the online mode. Okay, okay. So basically you can select the interface. So PN is a Profinet Industry Ethernet. So choose this. Okay, now I'm using killer E20 gigabits Ethernet from my PC. So just click go online. So it will search for the PLC. Okay, once its PLC is found, it will set up the connections. Okay, so now PLC is online. Okay, so okay here you can see here my PLC now is in online in the orange color. Okay, I can go offline anytime. Okay, so now my CPU over here is stop status. I can run it when I'm ready. Okay, next you can see here is a program block. From there you can start your PLC ladder program. Okay, okay, so I can just simply drag and drop. Okay, so context input with inverted. Okay, so let's say input switch. Okay, input A. Let's say I put input A as my input. Okay, I don't care about what are the text or these. Later I tell you how easy and simple is Siemens TIA portal. So this is the output coil. So you just click output. So let me put this is light. Okay, this is a light output. Okay, so now I need to assign my this tag with my physical I/O. So you just make it minimize it. Okay, I show you a trick here. Very simple. Okay, you just go back to this device configuration. Okay, this is your physical device. Okay, so now let me zoom in here. Example. Now my input A, right? I want to assign to this particular input, so I just drag and drop over. Okay, how simple is that? Light. I want to connect to the light to the particular DO. Okay, let's drag and drop. Now you see my tag is being assigned to the inputs. Okay, cool, right? Okay, okay, next you can after you have finished, right, you can just click this. You can go back to the previous okay menu columns here. Okay, so I'll show you how to compile and download the program into the PLC. So first, this is a compile functions. So let's click compile. Okay, compile with no error. Okay, so there's an error and a warning here. So you just download. You will compile. Okay, so continue without the synchronization. So upgrade target device. Okay, click this, load. So okay, next click this start all and finish. Okay, so if you want to check whether the PLC is working or not, your logic is working or not, there is a online monitoring mode. Just turn it on. See here, green light meaning that the power is going in. Okay, now the CPU is running. Okay, and yep, so you can stop the CPU anytime. Okay, click OK. Okay, and then also you can make it to go offline mode. Just click go offline. Okay, so these are the other functions you can play with it. Here got text. You can define the text for your IOs. Okay, these are the text that I defined just now. Okay, you can assign some PLC data types, booleans, integers, okay, and so on. Okay, and then here you can check some online access here. These are the interfaces. Take note. Okay, example, right? If you have your physical Ethernet LAN port, you can assign to here. If you have some virtual machines, you can click this or this. Okay. Okay, this PLC, right? It comes with a built-in memory slot, so you can insert your memory SD cards. Okay, you can write some data into it. Okay, okay, that's all about my demonstrations. Okay, hope you enjoy my videos and learn something new. Okay, with that, let me say goodbye.